Ford's manufacturing innovation and the success of the Model T laid the groundwork for the modern automobile industry. The impact of Ford's invention of the Model T extended far beyond the automotive industry. It played a crucial role in shaping American society and the global economy. The automobile's widespread availability led to greater mobility, as people could travel longer distances in less time. This, in turn, spurred the development of infrastructure, such as roads and highways. The automotive industry also created countless job opportunities and contributed significantly to economic growth. Henry Ford's inventions were not limited to the automobile industry. He also made significant contributions to other fields, including agriculture and aviation. Henry Ford, often referred to as the father of modern automobile manufacturing, is undoubtedly one of the most influential inventors in history. His revolutionary ideas and relentless pursuit of innovation changed not only the automotive industry, but also the entire world. Henry Ford was born on July 30th, 1863, in Greenfield Township, Michigan, a small farming community. Growing up on a farm, he developed a deep understanding of machinery and a strong work ethic. These early experiences would shape his approach to invention and innovation throughout his life. Ford's journey as an inventor began with a deep fascination for machinery and how it could be improved. One of Ford's first significant inventions was his quadricycle, built in 1896. The quadricycle was a rudimentary gasoline-powered vehicle that featured 4 bicycle wheels and an engine mounted in the middle. This invention marked the beginning of Ford's lifelong dedication to creating better transportation solutions. While the quadricycle was not a commercially viable product, it laid the foundation for Ford's future automotive innovations. Ford's most iconic and groundbreaking invention was the Model T, introduced in 1908. The Model T was a culmination of his years of work and experimentation in the automotive field. It was the first affordable and mass-produced car, making automobile ownership accessible to the average American. This invention revolutionized transportation, as it shifted the world from horse-drawn carriages to automobiles. What set the Model T apart from other cars of its time was its innovative assembly line production system. Ford was not only an inventor of automobiles but also a pioneer in manufacturing processes. He introduced the concept of the moving assembly line, where each worker had a specific task in the production process. This approach significantly reduced the time and cost required to build a car. It is widely regarded as one of the most important innovations in industrial history. The introduction of the assembly line made the production of the Model T more efficient and cost-effective. As a result, the price of the car dropped, and it became increasingly affordable to the general public. This affordability made the Model T wildly popular, and it quickly became the best-selling car in the United States. In the agricultural sector, he developed the Ford Sun tractor in 1917, which was one of the first mass-produced tractors. This innovation revolutionized farming, making it more efficient and reducing the need for manual labor. It played a crucial role in the modernization of agriculture, ensuring a steady food supply for the growing population. In the realm of aviation, Ford's interest led him to establish the Ford Airplane Company in 1925. While his foray into aviation was not as successful as his ventures in the automotive and agricultural sectors, it showcased his continuous pursuit of innovation and his willingness to explore new frontiers. Ford's contributions to aviation included the construction of the Ford Trimotor, a pioneering all-metal commercial airplane. Though it didn't achieve the same level of success as the Model T, it demonstrated his commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology. Apart from his technical inventions, Ford also had a profound impact on labor practices. He introduced the concept of the $5 workday, which was a revolutionary move in the early 20th century. This initiative, implemented in 1914, significantly raised the wages of Ford's factory workers, allowing them to afford the very cars they were producing. This act not only improved the quality of life for his employees, but also set a precedent for better labor conditions and fair wages across various industries. In addition to his inventions, Ford was known for his management philosophy, often referred to as Fordism. This approach emphasized efficiency, standardization, and mass production. It had a profound influence on the manufacturing practices of many industries, not just automotive. Fordism became a cornerstone of modern industrial production, characterized by the use of interchangeable parts and a strong focus on reducing waste. While Henry Ford's contributions to technology and manufacturing are undeniable, his life was not without controversy. He held strong beliefs, which occasionally led to contentious situations. One of the most controversial aspects of his life was his anti-Semitic views, which were made public in the early 1920s. These views have marred his legacy and continue to be a subject of debate when discussing his life and achievements. Another controversy in Ford's life was his involvement in peace initiatives during World War I. He invested substantial personal wealth into peace efforts, including the Ford Peace Ship, which aimed to negotiate an end to the war. However, his attempts were widely criticized, and they ultimately did not lead to any significant peace agreements. Despite these controversies, it is important to acknowledge that his innovations and contributions to various industries had a transformative impact on the world. In 1919, Ford purchased the Dearborn Independent, a newspaper that he used to promote his controversial views. He published a series of articles known as The International Jew, which disseminated harmful stereotypes and conspiracy theories about Jewish people. This period of his life is a dark stain on his legacy and serves as a reminder that even great inventors can hold troubling beliefs. In 1947, after Ford's death, his great-grandson, Henry Ford II, took over the leadership of the Ford Motor Company. Under his leadership, the company continued to thrive and innovate, introducing new models and expanding its global presence. The Ford Motor Company remains one of the most prominent and successful automakers in the world, a testament to the enduring impact of Henry Ford's innovations. Henry Ford's inventions, innovations, and contributions to society left an indelible mark on the world. His work in the automotive industry, manufacturing processes, and other fields reshaped how people lived and worked. The Model T, the assembly line, and the Fordson tractor were just a few of his pioneering creations that continue to influence our lives today. The legacy of Henry Ford serves as a testament to the power of innovation, hard work, and determination in shaping the world. Henry Ford was not just an inventor, he was also a visionary entrepreneur. He demonstrated exceptional business acumen by recognizing the potential of the automobile and understanding the importance of mass production. His ability to combine innovation with effective business strategies helped the Ford Motor Company become a global leader in the automotive industry. Despite his controversial views and actions, Ford was also involved in philanthropic endeavors. He established the Ford Foundation in 1936, which has since become one of the world's largest and most influential philanthropic organizations. The foundation focuses on various charitable causes, including education, social justice, and scientific research, and it continues to make a positive impact on society. Even in the 21st century, Henry Ford's principles of innovation, efficiency, and accessibility remain relevant. His influence can be seen in contemporary manufacturing processes and the ongoing pursuit of technological advancements. The automotive industry, in particular, continues to evolve, with electric vehicles and self-driving technology. And Ford's legacy of innovation continues to inspire new generations of inventors and entrepreneurs. From his humble beginnings on a farm to his groundbreaking innovations and controversial views, Ford's legacy is a testament to the profound impact that a single individual can have on society, industry, and the world. His enduring legacy continues to shape the way we live, work, and think about innovation and progress. Remember to show your love by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and staying tuned for more.